Ideal for everyone and for daily use, this special blend is the optimal support to use when distractions are running high. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the doTERRA Kids Line Thinker Roll-On Blend. It's also known as the Focus Blend. And so the common uses are aromatic, so breathing it in, as well as topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there. The main benefits of the Thinker Kids Blend is that it helps minimize mental distractions, creates a sense of alertness and focus, and lowers feelings of mental stress, all of which are very important when concentration is needed, whether it be for studying or creative outlets like coloring and drawing and things like that. Directions for use are rolling on a few swipes onto the lava diffusing rocks if you have those, as well as natural dolomite or diffusing jewelry for a nice aromatherapy experience that they can take with them. You can also roll onto the back of their neck, behind ears, or reflex points. And another important thing to remember is that this is great for all ages as well because this is diluted already with fractionated coconut oil and has a specific blend designed to help with focus. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below because there's 5 other oils as a part of this particular kids line of roll-on blends, which is really important to make sure you can support the kids' needs in all the areas. And other than that, I will see you in the next video.